then you'll remember me. I'll take it slow, but before you